Okay, YouTube. Got a few unboxing. We doing the Vulcan welding cabinet. This the 6317-9, the big one. You got the Vulcan 220 welder. Got some wrenches, some adjustable wrenches, the Pittsburgh one, 4-piece. Got the Warrior grinder, the 4.3 one. We'll be doing an unboxing on that one. Most of all that's in the Vulcan mid gloves. Also got another couple little treats for you. Got the yeswelder, auto darkening welding helmet, and the yeswelder 65D plasma color. Got a hydraulic ram. Gonna be making a hydraulic welding clamp with it from a frame rack. Gonna be reinforcing the frame on a 1995 Lincoln Town car. Another project gonna be putting up for y'all on the channel. So we got a lot to come in the future. Slowly but surely getting it together. Appreciate you tuning in to the channel. Gonna be a lot of good things to come. Thank you very much.